Guys, after 3 days cycling with the local cycling team in Phatthalung, I think I'm well prepared for my next luxury bikepacking trip. I'm gonna leave Phatthalung tomorrow and I'm gonna do a loop through the south of Thailand, starting here, going north to Suratani, Khao Lak, Krabi and then back to Phatthalung. In total 1000 kilometers in 8 days. And yeah, before I can start I need to change a couple of things on my bike. I need a new chain, a new tube, get everything ready for the tour. I'm gonna start early again tomorrow morning to avoid the heat, and pretty much looking forward to exploring more of the south of Thailand. It's not really a touristy place here. Most people don't go further south than Krabi, so pretty excited to explore this part of Thailand. And as I said before, I think the bicycle is the very best way to explore a country off the beaten path. And I found a local bike shop here and they're gonna prepare my bike, get everything ready. So I got a new chain, everything new. That would. So now that my bike is prepared, it's time to organize my luggage. And if you follow me for a while, you might remember that on my other luxury bikepacking trips, I took 2 big bags at the rear of my bike, and the bike had a weight of about 35 kilo or more. And this time I decided to try a new setup to only take minimal stuff. I only gonna travel with 2 bags in the front of 5 liter each. So what do I take on this 8-day loop across the southern part of Thailand? I take 2 jerseys and 2 bib shorts. I have to go to the laundry service every second day, but that's fine. I'm gonna start cycling early in the morning, so I will have the afternoon to go to a laundry shop. Obviously 2 socks and a helmet and sunglasses. That's pretty much it for the cycling part. And then for the afternoons I just gonna bring 1 short, 1 surf short, 3 shirts, 3 underwear and flip-flops. It's super warm in Thailand, so you really don't need much clothes. And as I have to go to the laundry store anyway every second day, I also don't need to bring so many clothes. Then for the electronic part, just a couple of cables to charge my phone and my camera, and yeah, toothbrush, and that's pretty much it. So that's all I gonna take, and I'm pretty optimistic that I can fit it in these 2 5 liter bags. And then let's have a look at the bike. I have another small bag here with tools in case I get a flat tire, a small pump. That's it. From my experience in Thailand, there are a lot of mechanics for motorbikes because almost everyone travels with a motorbike, and they also know how to fix a bike and they're very helpful. So if you need some oil for your chain or yeah, some small things to fix, they can help you, so you don't have to bring everything. And yeah, then my Garmin computer, Insta360 camera obviously, and that's pretty much it. And the 2 5 liter bags, I gonna attach them here at the fork, left and right side. And yeah, no bags at the rear. That should be much more fun, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Let me know what your bikepacking setup is. What do you usually take? What kind of bags do you have? And do you have any recommendations? What do you think about my setup? Does it make sense, or am I missing something? I guess that I will find out very soon. So post your thoughts in the comments, please.